entering shopping malls in the days of coronavirus, we have been continuously scanned with the help of this thermal gun. We have also seen people and children who have been in fever and checking their temperatures with the help of thermometer. What temperature is? Temperature is a degree of hotness or coolness of a body. It measures how much a body is hot or cooled. We have different units of temperatures. These are Fahrenheit, Celsius or centigrade, Kelvin and Rankine. Out of these four units, Fahrenheit and Celsius are commonly used. Kelvin is a system international unit of temperatures that is used by scientists. Rankine is not commonly used, but we will discuss it in detail. The instrument that is used to measure temperature is a thermometer. We have seen thermometers in Celsius and Fahrenheit scales with degrees on it. The melting point of ice and the boiling point of water is 0 degree and 100 degrees Celsius. If we divide this difference into 100 equal parts, then one part is known as 1 Celsius. The melting point of ice is 32 degree Fahrenheit and its boiling point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. When it is divided into 180 equal parts, then one part is known as 1 Fahrenheit. If we want to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, what we do is use this formula. We can substitute the temperature in Celsius and get out the result in Fahrenheit. Similarly, if we are to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, we reverse the formula by subtracting 32 from both sides. We get this result. If we divide it by 1.8 on both sides, then Fahrenheit can be converted to Celsius. Now, if we substitute Fahrenheit temperature, we can get the temperature in Celsius. Let us look at an example. The normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. If we want to convert it into Celsius, we write down the formula. We substitute 98.6 in the form of Fahrenheit by subtracting 32 from 98.6, we get 66.6. We divide it by 1.8 and we get 37 degrees Celsius. So we can see that 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit is 37 degrees Celsius, that is our normal body temperature. Other than conversion to Celsius and Fahrenheit, we can also convert Kelvin and Celsius. To get the answer in Kelvin, we use this formula. We add 273.16 in the degree Celsius. For the interconversion of Fahrenheit and Rankine, we use this formula. We add 459.67 into degree Fahrenheit. In this way, if we get 1 unit of temperature, we can convert it into other 3 units and find out the temperature. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.